What's up, guys? It's your girl, JLK the boss. I'm back. So, I got my flash on. The lighting in here is not good because my mom took my light bulb to replace it with another one in the hallway. So, but it's fine because I have my flash. So, yes, part 2 of my slime. And I took it out the refrigerator. And for me, it's a fail. It's not it's not working. It's just a goopy mess. It's not actually slime. And I don't know if I was maybe supposed to add something else into it or something, but see, it's like a goopy mess. Like literally a goopy mess. Not working. So I don't know if I was supposed to add something or what. But yeah. It's good. Oh well, no, it's not as bad. But so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and salvage it, cause I've made actual slime before with just with the actual ingredients, actually glue and activator and stuff. But I got actual activator that's already made, not like a baking soda or something, or cornstarch or whatever. I have actual activator. It's the actual Elmer's activator because I have made slime with glue and stuff. I bought it from Walmart. I bought the glue separate from the activator, not in a kit or something. I did have a kit before, and I made the 2 slimes, but that's gone because my little cousin and my other cousin, who's big and knows not to, wants to go and get into it and mix it around and put stuff in it. So that was messed up and it's gone now. But so I have my Elmer's activator, as you can see. It's my Elmer's magical liquid, and that's what I'm gonna put in it to try and see if it'll salvage or get salvaged or something. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and sit here and mix it. Go ahead and mix it up, because maybe that'll make something. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna mix it up, and still the goop. So let me see if, yeah, it's still goopy, which not what we want. So I'm gonna add the activator in like that. Not a lot, because I don't want to just waste my activator trying to do this and not on actual slime. This could be actual slime, but no. I ain't trying to waste my activator easily like that. So I'm mixing it up, and it's starting to turn weird. Oh, that's definitely not slime. That's water now. It's legit water. Okay, I think what I have to do is add more flour. So I'm gonna go. Yeah, I probably added too much water. So I'm gonna go get more flour. So you stay here and watch it. I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got more flour right here, as you can see. And I'm just gonna add the flour in there while keep mixing. And yeah, there's Elmer's magical liquid in here, so it's that'll be my activator, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, Let me just stir this up a bit, give it a good stir before I start adding in more flour. I gotta add in the flour while stirring. So I got a good stir, and yeah, I guess start adding in the flour. Just start adding it in, and what the flour will do is make it thicker. So maybe it'll like become something. I don't know, because I already had put it. I probably had to put it in the freezer and not the refrigerator. So this time I'm gonna try putting it in the freezer instead of the refrigerator. It's not that cold no more, so yeah. I just add in a whole bunch at one moment and mix it, and hopefully it'll turn into something. I don't know. As you can see, it's like starting to, it's kind of turning into something now. It's a big goopy mess over here, but, okay, I think it's starting to turn into something. Because, like, it's, like, clumping up now. Okay, I think it's starting to turn into something. So I might need to add more, activator. Because you don't want it dry. But maybe not, because, like I said, it's turned into something, so I'll keep mixing, and then I'll let you know what happens soon in part 3. So I'll make part 3 in this minute. I'll keep mixing this and let you know what happened in part 3. Bye!